I'm super excited about AI and how AI is changing everything in our world. In particular, in finance and in accounting, my work with SAP, BlackLine, we thought of the accountants doing accounting, and the software was there to put it all together, but everything was centered in the human doing the work. Now, with the advent of these AI native platforms, all the accounting work that before was orchestration, it was a checklist. It's like, did you do it? Who's doing it? How many accounts have we closed or reconciled yet? Where are we in the closing process? All that was orchestration of a large human population doing accounting work. All now with AI in this agentic world, a lot of that is performed by agents that are working continuously, rapidly. Shrinking the time it takes to do accounting work. The orchestration happens by design, and I see this is like a breaking moment, and the role of a human is very different. In the past, spend nights, weekends, entire weeks closing the books at the end of every month or quarter. And now they might be just reviewing the work of all these agents that have done all the heavy, boring work. And the accountants actually do what they went to school to do, which is like make sure the accounting ties and is well done. Let's say the ERPs or the cloud vendors, they still have a lot of legacy processes. The AI native platforms like Maxima have the advantage of having no legacy. They are thinking or looking at this process with a completely new lens, with no ties to the past, no legacy processes. We've seen a convergence of things are making all this possible. One is the advent of these big LLMs, the ability of AI to actually do things in the way that a human would do and document what they're doing and explain what they're doing. Then we have the advent of universal APIs that actually make it possible to integrate data and have a universal kind of data model. That creates the possibility of AI agents that can do work on their own, following the policies that a company has, with some very clear boundaries on what they're going to do in a deterministic way. And now we're getting to this new era of true automation. It took us probably 500 or 600 years to get to this point. It's incredible to be able to invest and participate and witness up close, the next generation of transformation.